In a world that's loud and moving fast, you are my calm, my hold me back. A quiet strength, a shining light. You turn my darkest days to bright. You